Welcome this video. Patio gardening idea. Transforming your outdoor space into a gardening oasis. A patio is more than just an stand of your home. It's space for relax, entertainment, and connect with nature. Whether you have a smart balcony, a modern country art, or a backyard patio, at gardening can transforming it into a welcome retreat with the right design. Your patio gardening can become the perfect blend of beautiful and functional. Create a natural structure. It's your doorstep. We explored a wide range of patio gardening idea that work for all space and style. For modern minimalism to lush and choosy highway. Contrarian gardening, the most versatile. One of the experience away to bring life to a patio is more contrarian gardening. Pouch gardening plant for even the purple content can hold flower hub and vegetable. Mix and match pouch. Use different size, color and textile of pouch to add chaptering. Plants companion your patio style hub and vegetable. plants. Growing fresh bring tomato in. Content for a functional gardening that enhance your pain. Versatile gardening for smart patio. If your patio do not have much full space, versatile gardening are a great solved. Live bulb. Install wall mount frame with gardening for a stream focal point. Add plants like wing, handbrake, versatile not only maximize space but also provide add and color wall or fence. Add gardening board with plants if you want your patio to feel enclosed and choosy create natural board. Plants with gardening or bamboo. Those add height and create provide bugs, plants, structure. Boxwood can create a need bird. Flower board. Seasoning bamboo like bring color and life. This appear soft and edge of stone. Patio and give your outdoor space and gardening patio feel. Mix gardening with hardscape. Balance plants with hardscape functional for a landscape and plants design. Create a cozy garden, transforming parts of your patio into a relaxed, cozy surrounding by gardening. Outdoor setting with plants. Space with bring again and wall line with plant privacy with various gardening. Climax plants on tranquil of for a natural stream. Shade with pergola. Cover a cottage with a pergola and trellis companion rows over. This step with perfect right or enjoy coffee with surrounding by nature. Patio, hub and kitchen gardening. When not make your patio gardening, a kitchen gardening allow your growing up and vegetable right outside your door. Hub original or patio and look beauty on tabletop. Find minimize patio gardening.